case everyone was wondering, they have Pizza Hut.
So we just went to La Delarue.
But I'm not going to share them.
Forgot to videotape inside, but
Christmas gifts
the
for the
famous
people.
little chef store where Julia Child used to shop. Anthony Bourdain.
So now we're going to the
Pompidou.
Pompidou.
Had a coffee so we could use the toilet.
Yeah.
It was a $9 toilet trip.
You want to use the toilet? In Rome, it's like 70 cents for public. Okay.
It's free in Paris, but you have to find them.
We have some action up here. Pickpocketers or something. I don't know. Okay, bye. Burger King, McDonald's. I think they call this the Americana
Way.
We're going to that building. Exploding on the scene in Paris at the Pompidou.
First time.
Yeah, this place is burning up. It's like extremes. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Yeah, at least 80 degrees in this museum. Outside it's 50. But we're gonna discover some modern, very modern artwork. So we're headed up to gallery number 1. Is the Pompidou?
Pompidou.
All right, so we're still going to the top.
The very top.
And I just wanted to show you a little view.
Look behind us.
It's the
Eiffel. There it is.
Eiffel. So we're inside. Found
Pablo Picasso.
some Picasso.
Lots of Pablo Picasso paintings.
Oh, okay. We just finished Pompidou. I don't know what Lance is doing right now. He's like just sitting down. We're headed over to
The Latin Quarter.
Latin Quarter. There's Notre Dame behind us. We're in a neat little plaza or square or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna walk through here. Shakespeare's bookstores on our way. I'll try to sneak some photos in.
You're not allowed to take photos in there.
I know. There's the Seine.
Brasserie de la Saint-Louis.
In Paris, once again.
We are back. We just got done with our lunch. We went to Brasserie de L'Île Saint-Louis on the other side of the Seine. And
really good.
The food was really, really good, but it was a little pricey of meat and cheese, and they were like $18 a piece.
But it was
And I had the
phenomenal.
Snails, which were 12, and they were really good too. But
Bought our next painting.
we bought our next painting. Basically, we're walking around. We have a totally free day today and taking Lance to places that we've been to. And
Lance is in there right now, Shakespeare and Company.
Venture out into the Montmartre area.
Some more monoprix.
Oh, we gotta go to the monoprix.
Get some sweats. I think that's gonna be next.
Yeah.
We'll show you that area.
For sure.
Okay, so we're headed to the metro. Oh, that's it. See, Metro Line 4. Now we got the subway.
Riding on the metro. So we're on our way to the monoprix, and Eric purposely did not bring a pair of sweats on this trip. He wanted to go to the monoprix. The monoprix is like Target. We're in the area of the Place de Clichy, near Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur.
Restaurant Jen and I ate at when we were here 3 years ago. A chef that has won awards in Paris. Authentic rustic French meal. And they change the menu every day. It's fresh. They're open they close at 2 after lunch. Get ready for dinner at 6.